Good morning, students. Welcome to a new academic year. I am going to teach you EVS 1. Today, we will learn the lesson Our Earth and our Solar System. When we look up the open ground, we see the sky. In the clear night sky, we can see many stars. They are very far away from the Earth. Some stars are prominent. The word prominent means some stars we can see easily and we can see clearly, while some tiny and faint, that is very small, and faint means hardly we can see them. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle, but some do not. The sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth, that is much closer as than all the heavenly bodies. Some of the stars are very far away from us. The sun, moon are very closest, so we can see their round shape clearly, isn't it? The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, etc. are known as heavenly bodies. Let's learn what are stars. The heavenly bodies that twinkles are called stars. Stars have their own light. The heavenly bodies means all those things that which we see on the sky, so that things we see in the sky and they twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. The sun is a star. It is closer to us than any of the other stars. Hence, it appeared big and brilliant. Just like all other stars, even sun is also a star. But the sun is much closer to us. All the tiny dots we see in the sky twinkling, they're also bright as a sun. But the sun is very close to us. It looks very big and brilliant, means very bright. In its bright light during the day, we cannot see other stars. The stars are present in the sky during the day, but we cannot see them because of the bright sunlight. Once the sun has set, then there is no light in the sky, so we can see the star. Next, we will learn what are planets. Planets, the heavenly bodies that do not twinkle, are called planets. Planets do not have light for their own. They get light from the stars. Planets revolve around a star even as they rotate around themselves. It means that they move around themselves as well as they go around the particular star. Our Earth is a planet. It gets its light from the sun. It moves around the sun. Its movement around the sun is called the revolution of the earth. So the earth takes one round of the sun, it is called one revolution. Beside the earth, there are 7 other planets that revolves around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So these are all the other planets that they are apart from the Earth and the other planets. Together they are 8 planets. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun. That is, goes around the sun along a specific path. It means its own way which it travels. It will not move away from that path. This path is known the planet orbit. The sun, which is a star, and the planet that revolves around it are together called a solar system. Besides the planet, the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies.